Assalamu alaikum. Unit number 7 is language development. In this chapter, we will discuss about the components of language and factors which influence on language development and the different stages of language development. What is language? Language is a system of communication. We communicate our different emotions with others. Language is a system of communication based upon symbols, words, phrases, and sentences. Language differentiates human from non-human. Chuckling, ringing, and screaming are ways that are named as non-linguistic communication. Language development. Language development is the process by which children come to understand and communicate language. Language development का process basically vary करता है from child to child. कुछ जो बच्चे होते हैं वो जल्दी उनकी development हो जाती है language की और कुछ की late होती है और usually ये कहा जाता है कि जो गर्ल्स की जो लैंग्वेज डेवलपमेंट है वो जल्दी होती है एज कम्पेयर टू बॉयज. फ्रॉम बर्थ अप टू द एज ऑफ 5 children develop language at a quick pace. After the age of 5 it generally turns out to be much difficult for the children to learn it. There are two styles of language development. First one is referential language development. इस स्टाइल में यूजुअली ये होता है कि जो चिल्ड्रन हैं वो अपने फ्यू वर्ड्स को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं. लाइक 2 वर्ड्स का जो है सेंटेंस बोलते हैं, उसके बाद 3 वर्ड्स का जो उनका सेंटेंस होता है, उसके बाद वो चीज़ों को लेबल करने के लिए डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज या डिफरेंट वर्ड्स जो हैं वो यूज़ करते हैं. Children at first express only words and afterward join them together, at first into sentences comprising of 2 words and later into sentences comprising of 3 words. It is a style of right time learning of language in which children use language for the most part to label objects. This style is useful to young children because this way extends their understanding of vocabulary. Second style is expressive language development. In this style, little children apply language to discuss their specific emotions and requirements. Components of language. We will study 5 components of language. First one is phoneme. It is the basic unit of language and is concerned with the sounds of अल्फ़ाबेट. बेसिकली ये किसी भी अल्फ़ाबेट की किसी वर्ड में साउंड को डिस्कस करता है. फोनीम जो है, जैसे यहाँ पे एग्जांपल दी गई है हैट की. हैट में एज की जो साउंड है वो है ह, तो ह जो है दैट इज़ फोनीम. ये एज अल्फ़ाबेट की साउंड ह आ रही है. और ये जो डिफरेंट अल्फ़ाबेट्स होते हैं इनकी डिफरेंट वर्ड्स में जब प्रोनाउंस किया जाता है तो इनकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन समटाइम चेंज हो जाती है. जैसे अगर हम सी की बात करें, सी एक अल्फ़ाबेट है तो इसको हम कैट में सी की साउंड जो है वो क की है. और इसको अगर हम एक और वर्ड जैसे सैनमा है, सैनमा में अगर हम देखें तो इसमें सी की साउंड स की है, स इस साउंड में आ रहा है. तो ये इनके वर्ड्स टू वर्ड जो है ये अल्फ़ाबेट्स के साउंड्स जो हैं वो वेरी करते हैं. तो फोनीम जो है दैट डील्स विद द साउंड्स ऑफ अल्फ़ाबेट्स. सेकेंड इज़ फोनोलॉजी. इट डील्स विद द साउंड्स इन अ लैंग्वेज. इसमें ऐसे होता है कि आप जो साउंड्स हैं उनको ऑर्डरली ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं. फोनोलॉजी इंक्लूड्स द स्टडी ऑफ इक्विवेलेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल सिस्टम ऑफ साइंस in language. The study of verbal communication structure within the language is known as the phonology. Third is morphology. It is related to the vocabulary building. Syntax. It deals with the structure of sentence and the sequence of the words in it. कि एक sentence में जो words हैं वो कहाँ कहाँ पे put करने हैं, उनका क्या sequence होगा और sentence का structure कैसे होगा. जैसे एक example है कि अहमद ate the apple, कि अहमद ने एप्पल खाया. और इसी अगर इन्हीं वर्ड्स को अगर हम आगे पीछे प्लेस करें, जैसे कि द एप्पल एट द अहमद, तो ये जो सेकंड सेंटेंस है इसकी कोई वो सेंस नहीं बन रही. मतलब इन दोनों के मीनिंग जो है वो डिफरेंट हो जाते हैं इन दोनों सेंटेंसेस के. तो इस वजह से ये जो है कि वर्ड्स को सीक्वेंस में प्लेस करना जो है दैट डील्स विद द सिंटैक्स. Semantics. Semantics is the study of meaning. What is meaning? How is meaning created in language? How do people understand language? And why do we understand it like we do? One of the main reasons we use language is to pass meaning from one person to another, and semantics deals with it. Grammatical structure of the language helps us understand the language. Pragmatics, it studies human actions and their explanation by signs in language. Pragmatics refers to the ways the members of a community use the language. Language development at preschool and kindergarten level. Language development starts from birth when baby produces sounds to realize its existence to others. From 0 to 3 months of age, children reflects his emotions by listening the different sounds and smiles at viewing different personalities. From 4 to 6 months, children show their reactions by yes or no and produce babbling sounds. 7 to 12 months is the age of fun and the babbling of children changes. Between 1 to 2 years of age, the children focus on pictures. They can indicate body parts and there is increase in learning of words. During 2 to 3 years of age, comprehension of compound words develop. The child can differentiate different ideas and develops the capacity to have words for nearly everything. Compound words are formed when two or more words are joined together to create a new word that has an entirely new meaning. During 3 to 4 years of age, the children listen more clearly when we call, and his structure of uttering sentences extends. Last topic is factors influence on child language development. First is social interaction. Proponents of social interaction theories stress that social aptitudes and language experiences are necessary to language development. An active child keeps the capacity to develop language, will try to convey what he wants to say. Second is cognitive skills. These are the intellectual skills. Some scholars expect that kids comprehend complex language with their intellectual skills. Last is inheritance. Heredity also influence on language development.